They have this new term called a hurricane, which we see in 2023. All this hurricane nonsense, hurricanes and quakes put together. Now, if somebody wants to look into something, they can look into Cascadia Rising 2022. And that is a program or planned out scenario of an 8.2 earthquake hitting the west coast of the United States. A pre-planned scenario. So I highly recommend everybody look into that. And to take it a step further, check this. Tesla man-made earthquake machine. Now what's interesting is it talks about how Tesla created a man-made earthquake machine which worked like a little tiny device in which he could place up next to a building, and it would emit a certain frequency or resonance, and that building would fall or would crumble. So if you think about, for example, when earthquakes were happening in certain places and they would get hit with one after another at the exact same time, and if this device is true to what it is, this device could be part of the patents in which people received after Tesla died. Remember, when Tesla died, all of his patents were taken. All of his work was taken. Who took it? I can tell you who took it. There are a lot of three-letter agencies who have all of that information. So if the earthquake machine is right here, and you can look into Dale Pond, he also talks about Tesla's earthquake machine. It actually looked like a piston engine, and it would have a thing, and it would compress, sending a frequency right into the ground, and then causing things to shake, and then causing it to fall down. And if you think of the old stories, I think it's of the Walls of Jericho, I think that story is of a bunch of people walking around a building, chanting, using sound frequency, until the walls of Jericho fell down due to the sound frequency and the resonance going around the building until it collapsed. So if you think about these things,